Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to Creative Book Club. We are on book 10. So we do one book a week, two books a month, I should say. There we go. So what we do is I select a book here, and then we're gonna kind of read the cover and guess what the book is gonna be about, and we'll do a little journaling, just kind of reflecting on what we think the book's going to be. And that way we can look back and see how close we are. But then after that, the following week, if you come back here, I'll have a craft that you can do with your friends or your book club, kind of related to the books. So just kind of an inspiration to hang out with your friends, talk about the books, gives you something to do. So as I said, we are on book 10, which is When the World Tips Over by Jandy Nelson. It's kind of a thick book, but I'm going to read the inside flap there so we can kind of find out what it's about. So it says the Fall siblings live in hot Northern California wine country, where the sun pours out of the sky and the devil winds blow so hard they whip the sense right out of your head. Years ago, the Falls kid's father mysteriously disappeared, cracking the family into pieces. Now, Dizzy Fall, age 12, bakes cakes, sees spirits, and wishes she were a heroine of a romance novel. Miles Fall, 17, brainiac, athlete, a dog whisperer, is a raving beauty, but also lost and desperate to meet the kind of guy he dreams of. And Winton Fall, 19, who raises the temperature of a room just by entering it, is a virtuoso violinist set on a crash course for fame or self destruction. Then an enigmatic rainbow haired girl shows up, tipping the Falls world over. She might be an angel or a saint or an ordinary girl. Somehow she is vital to each of them. But before anyone can figure out who she is, catastrophe strikes, leaving the Falls more broken than ever and more desperate to be whole. With rivalries, road trips, family curses, love stories within love stories within love stories, and sorrows and joys passed from generation to generation, this is the intricate, luminous tale of a family's complicated past and present, and only in telling their stories can they hope to rewrite their futures. Ooh, that's quite an introduction. So I love the cover of this book and the colors, so that's why I kind of copied it. And I feel like this book is going to have a lot to do with wine. So I thought it'd be cute to take these little paint samples and maybe do a color contradicting to the cover of the book, and make my own little grapes there. Plus, it kind of covered over the mess that I had on the corner of the page from a different journal entry. But yeah, no, this sounds exciting. I'm really anxious to find out what it's about, because it just sounds really interesting and kind of a bit of a soap opera, if I may say so. Um, so hopefully you'll get with your friends and read this book, and then tune back next week and we'll do a craft.